real cool one here today. 71 FX, factory Harley, Hi-Fi blue paint. You get these in a bunch of different colors. 71, you get the red, white, blue, Hi-Fi blue, Hi-Fi turquoise. I think they did a gold, red. They had a bunch of them. This bike, we did a full mechanical restoration. When I say full, I mean the crank, everything is all brand new factory OEM. The transmission, clutch, it has all the 71 only parts, had the speedometer restored, new wiring harness, all the brakes have been redone. It's got correct Goodyear tires on it, correct rims, hubs. It's really straight. It's got basically no reproduction on the bike except I think maybe the shocks are new. I'm not even sure about that. We've been doing this one for a long time. It's absolutely gorgeous. It runs absolutely perfect. 71 was standard. FX, first year for the FX is 71, which this is, and the bow tail was standard. And then in 72 was an option, and then 73 it was gone. These are super rare. This one is really as nice as it gets, and if you want one you could actually ride, like you could get one that's totally unmolested with X amount of miles on it. It's gonna need everything. This needs nothing. Ride it anywhere. Gas on. I think it's still pretty warm. Yeah. Like I said, doesn't drip a drop of oil, doesn't need anything. Really nice, quiet, rebuilt engine, beautiful paint, NOS decals. Seat is like new. The seats are impossible to find. This is a really nice bike, and it's all the 71 only stuff. Very correct bike. Everything works. I love the blue. This is my favorite color you could get. Really, really nice. Nice and quiet. Correct header and even the M51V Harley Davidson muffler on this one. It is for sale. You can email me, kinglingly@hotmail.com, KINGLINGLEY@hotmail.com.